Our team name is Hexutra and our team ID is TMZH2JWC. I am Ansul Mathe, team leader and UI UX designer. Rohit Maneswar is a front-end developer. Sasikant Sukla is a back-end developer and Talesh Matre is a AML engineer.
Kanpur's water is amongst the most polluted in urban India. Residents living close by the river Ganga often complain about the noxious odor and effluents. As you can see behind me, the water is not fit for consumption and is full of discharge. Apart from the local residents, the UP government too claims that the 400 tanneries are the main cause of pollution in the Ganga. Around 100 tanneries in Kanpur have already shut down as they did not meet the NGT's emission guidelines. Local tannery owners say they are willing to comply, but red tape is a big problem.
Hello everyone, fishing dying in the Ganga, toxic chemical in the water and authority finding out only after the damage is done. Today river monitoring system are reactive. They report what already happened, know what about to happen. We asked one question, what if we could predict pollution before it is spread? That's why we built Ganga Guardian AI. This is our public homepage. No login required, live pollution alert, river statistics, our 4 core features. Anyone can see the problem, but to act on it, you need to log in. And here, what make our system smart, who you can are completely change what you can see. There is 2 type of users, citizen and government, officials. Let's start with a citizen. The system read the role and lands directly on the citizen portal. Now confuse, no manual selection, login, verify, right dashboard automatically. That's a resident near Varanasi. She checked the river health source for her local ghat, pollution level, water safety, environment alert. Let's click submit pollution report. Location edit, photo upload, one tap, report submit. You can track report under my report in real time. But here is the important part. Directly to the government dashboard, let me show. We are login government dashboard because the role is different. The system opens the government dashboard directly. This is what citizen cannot access and that's by design. At the top, river health source basin void at a glance. Center a live map with all 52 monitoring station. Green is safe, red need take action right now. On the right, 5-day pollution forecast, BOD dissolved oxygen, pH, turbidity predicted before they breach safe limit. No monitoring forecast. The report is already here. Chromium detected near Jajmui, resource tannery discharge, confidence 84%. The AI found the probable factory, the chemical and the time of discharge in under 2 hours. Manually, this used to take 3 to 5 days. The official can assign the alert, send a complaint notice, or trigger a field inspection right from the screen. Here, something no other river platform in India has a digital twin of the Ganga, a virtual model test interrogation before spending a single rupee. Simulation shooting down the Jajmui Tannery cluster. BOD drops 23% in 3 days. Downstream stretch recovered. Decision backed by data, no guesswork. And biodiversity, real habit, health for the dolphin, gharial and hilsa fish breeding. Alert, nesting protection, automated warning because the Ganga is not just water, it is an entire ecosystem. Let's recap what just happened. A citizen report pollution for her phone. The government received it with AI analyze attached. The digital twin simulated the fix before any action was taken and role-based authentication makes sure the right people show exactly what they need to. Ganga Guardian AI is not a monitoring tool. It is a prediction and prevention engine.